What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about the lock icon on CBS, what does it mean and how to use it, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So when you are streaming your favorite show, so let's say you want to watch this one, and when you go to the episodes you would like to watch, so maybe there will be a display of a lock or a padlock, whatever you want to call it, on a certain episode. So what does it mean and how to use it? So if you see a padlock icon on a show or an episode, you can unlock it by signing in with your TV provider. On CBS.com or the CBS app, click sign in with TV provider. So that is in the upper left corner over here, and as you can see we are having TV provider option. You just need to click on it. Select your TV provider of course, and you'll be asked to sign in using your TV provider's username and password. If you don't have a username or if you forgot your password, you can contact your TV provider for additional help. Basically guys, that's it. You can now stream your local live CBS station along with full current seasons of your favorite CBS shows. So overall, that lock icon means that you need to be signed in with your TV provider or have some other form of subscription to be able to watch it. So guys, overall that's the entirety of the process on these lock icons. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.